Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today we have the stunning Land Rover Defender 110 in all black. So this is going to be a really cool transformation as we're going to apply matte PPF over this entire car. This is going to give it a beautiful satin finish, enhance its curves and lines and make it look totally badass. So we've actually done a few other Defenders before, all in different colors, and some of them in glossy PPF and also in matte PPF, and they all came out looking absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see how those cars came out, check out the links in the description below.
I will be your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep you from danger. Let me be your shield.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just you, me, and the odds. We stuck together, we two peas in a pod. You dealt a bad hand, I'm there seizing the cards. We'll never be separated till we see in the gods. We've been low together, high forever. Long as we go together, we'll die whenever. Be a light, couldn't let the darkness try you ever. Truth in my word, you I lie to never. And when the world gets a little too hard, wipe your eyes, put away your sorrow. When it's war, I'll be leading the charge, and I'll be still fighting for you tomorrow. Yeah, even with a blindfold or in different time zones, could find my way to you with my eyes closed. There's nothing between us. Go to Mars and Venus, stand in front of every one of them rocks they slinging and be a shield.
Your shield in the fiercest battle. I'll defend you.
I'll defend you
from all these arrows, and the sword I will keep.
So we're now in the PPF bay and the kit has already been nested. So we're now just preparing and pre-cutting the PPF film. So let's get this baby from grass to mat.
Soles of my shoes are worn, the knees of my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true. There's nothing.
So they are now currently busy installing the PPF onto the car, and over here you can already see the major difference between the matte PPF and the gloss paint.
I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission. Take it up now, take it up. I ain't waiting and wishing. Take it up now, take it up. Oh, I got that ambition. Take it up now, take it up. I'm a man on a mission. When you look into my eyes, you know you're gonna see that fire. If you're standing in my way, it ain't gonna be your day. Bleeding till I own this dream, build it like you never seen. Even at the mountaintop, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't wait another minute, no I won't.
So here it is, the final results. And guys, I mean, just look at it. This Defender had an insane makeover and looks like a totally different car. It looks mean and badass, and not only does the matte PPF give it a little bit of a color change, but it also has the benefit of protecting the entire car's paint. Now that's what I call the best of both worlds. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, please support us by smashing that like button, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like these. See you in the next one.
on the edge of a knife. I've been
stop till I'm good and done.